Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's video will be a very interesting one because it's well past midnight and I haven't prepared anything at home to eat because I was really busy the entire day and didn't even think about what I'm going to eat, and I'm now really hungry. It's not that I don't have any food at home to eat, but it's not that nutritious or it's not that filling that I would consider that to eat. And moreover, I feel like eating something really good, something sort of a pizza. So I'll take you and show you how you can actually eat pizza and still lose weight, how to prepare it, and why eating junk food is not the only option at night. You just need to make better choices. So it's currently over 1 a.m. as you can see. Currently over 1 a.m. So let's go. So guys, you arrived at this petrol pump and it has a convenience store which opens till late, and it has a bakery which will solve our purpose tonight. I come here quite often because everything is fresh and it's prepared in front of me, so I have control over what to add and what not to add, so I can easily track my food intake. ये सुनो, थिन क्रस्ट बनाना है। हाँ, थिन क्रस्ट ही बनाना है और बाकी वो काट देना साइड से, छोटा एकदम, समझ गए? और वेजीज भर के। अच्छा सुनो, चीज़ कम, सब्जियां भर के, वेजी लोडेड, सॉस बस। Guys, cheese would be minimal. It would be around 50 to 60 grams. So you can expect anywhere around 150 calories from the same. But we loaded up with vegetables because vegetables are low calorie and thus it would be filling. बस चीज़ बस, सब्जियां भर दो। Bell pepper is always a good option because it's very low in calories, and sweet corn is high in calories but of course still lower than cheese. Mushrooms बढ़िया भर के भर दो मशरूम भैया। बस क्यूकम्बर नहीं, हाँ पिक हालापिनोज। हालापिनो अच्छे से डालो, इनको दिखाओ तो कितनी मिर्ची खाते हैं। हाँ जी, डाल दो। Olives contains healthy fats, so don't forget to add them. हो गया। ये कितने ग्राम होगा चिकन? 40 ग्राम। अरे ढंग से डालो, अच्छे से डालो भैया, मजाक क्यों कर रहे हो? बताओ ना। 140 ग्राम, डबल एकदम, 100 ग्राम से ऊपर। अब हेल्दी हो गया, आराम से 150 ग्राम है चिकन। चीज़ थोड़ा आराम से, ध्यान से, ठीक है, ठीक। बस अराउंड 20 ग्राम्स ऑफ चीज़ मैक्सिमम ऑन टॉप। नाउ ये अवन में जाएगा, इसमें बटर वगैरह मत लगाना। देखो सब्जियां कितनी फ्रेश हैं एज़ कम्पेयर टू सबवे। कि भाई भैया के हाथ का सैलड खाना आगे, सब भूल जाओगे। Till the time the pizza is getting ready, let's choose our drink. You can go for any zero calorie drink such as this soda from Catch. This is a 0 calorie, or any other flavor of it. You can even go for Diet Coke. no sugar or diet cokes, it's the same. Just avoid these. These are unnecessary liquid calories along with your meal when you can have the same taste without any sugar. देखो ये होता है हेल्दी पिज़्ज़ा लोडेड, और फिर लोग कहते हैं पिज़्ज़ा खा के वेट नहीं कम कर सकते। बोलो ऐसा खाएं। पर आता हूँ ना हफ्ते में कितनी बार?
रेंडमली आप वीक में 5 डेज तो आते हैं।
5 डेज। और ऐसा तो नहीं है हमेशा हेल्दी खाता हूँ।
नहीं ऐसा नहीं।
कभी वो लोडेड पिज़्ज़ा, कभी वो
डोनट्स, फिर आपके सैलेड्स,
कभी सैलेड, कभी ब्राउनी। तो रोज, हाँ विद आइसक्रीम, तो रोज तो नहीं खाता। ये देखो गाइस, दिस इज अ आलू पैटी सब which I don't think you should eat if you're especially trying to lose weight, as it is loaded with mayonnaise and fried burger patty. But if you want to gain weight, then go ahead, no issues. जबरदस्त। बस कहाँ का ब्रांच है
सर? मूलचंद, विकासपुरी, जनकपुरी सी ब्लॉक, जनकपुरी बी ब्लॉक, पश्चिम बिहार एंड जेल रोड।
बट अगर ये वाला पिज्ज़ा खाना है तो फिर इधर आना पड़ेगा।
पिज्जा खाना तो आपको स्पेशली इन एंड आउट मूलचंद आना पड़ेगा।
और सुबह कब तक?
सुबह 8 AM to 3 AM।
मतलब सुबह 8 बजे लेके रात
सुबह 8 बजे से रात के 3 बजे तक।
और जोमेटो स्विगी भी चालू है?
जोमेटो स्विगी ऑन है। जोमेटो विद इन 7 डेज में ऑन हो जाएगा।
चलो थैंक यू। घाट जी भी आ गए हमारे आपके। So guys, back home, this is how pizza is looking. Loaded with vegetables which will make us feel full, and loaded with chicken as well for the protein. It's 800 to 1000 calories, but it also contains easily around 70 to 80 grams of protein. And compare it that to Domino's or Pizza or any other fast food chain, this size pizza would easily be anywhere above 1500 to 1000 calories, and it would contain like not more than 40 to 45 grams of protein even if you go for a non-veg pizza. So let's give a taste test. Too spicy. Obviously it's not comparable to a really cheesy pizza or something that you can dream of while sleeping, but it's really tasty. And the motive of this video is to educate you that you do not need to eat boiled food in order to hit your fitness goals. You just need to make better choices and be aware of what you are putting inside your mouth. Let's go with one more slice. If you're someone who's thinking that I cannot eat so much and still lose weight because my calorie limits are lower, so you don't need to eat the entire pizza. You will be full in just half of it because it's loaded with vegetables and it's full of protein. So if you liked this video and you learned something from it, do not forget to give it a like and drop your comments. Subscribe to our channel if you want more future videos like these, and make sure to share this video with a friend who told you can't eat pizza or you just need to eat boiled food in order to hit your fitness goals. Thanks for watching.